Alright, we're going to work on completing squares.
Okay.
And I'm going to first go over with one question, how to do this, and then we can do the other ones too. So I'm going to start with the kind of like a little difficult one only, so that way you know, especially what type of questions you can get. So let's do a question like solve by completing squares. So I'm going to take an equation x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 0. So when I look at this question, and obviously when I try to solve this one by completing squares, if I try to find factors, the 5 is the 1, and I want to multiply, or 1 times 5, that's how many factors I can get. But when I try to add these two, I'm not getting quite this one, right? Are you following with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since I can't use that factor method or any other methods, maybe you can use this quadratic formula. But what we're going to do, we're going to go step by step. I'm going to use a different color. Okay.
Should I guess? Can you show me if I'm doing it?
Yes, I am going to. Just a minute, alright?
Wait.
But let me finish it, and then I can put another question for you.
What is he doing?
Okay, wait.
God damn.
First thing, you look at the middle term. Middle term. So which is 8 or negative 8x. So what you need to do is divide the middle term by 2. By 2.
Okay, so 4.
So which is negative 8 divided by 2, which is negative 4. So what you need to do, you square the middle term, which is whatever you got.
Is that what you did?
Square and add or subtract. Okay, so what we do is, like, once we divide it, we got negative 4, so that's why we're going to square it first, which is negative 4 squared, which is positive 16. That's what we're going to add. So what I'm going to do, this is x squared minus 8x plus 16, and then minus 16 plus 5 equals 0. So what I did is basically I added this little term extra, this. Okay, so I just kind of like to have some little bit, to kind of write it in a square format, I added and subtracted. So that way it doesn't make any change. But now I can write this x squared minus 8x plus 4 squared, because 16 is 4 squared. Now this itself, I can write x minus 4 squared. And then this itself, I can write minus 11 equal 0. Do you understand this step?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's basically, this is really important because, right here, if I expand this one, I'm going to get this. So I'm going to show you just quickly. So when you expand, are we going to get that same thing or not? So let's take this. X minus 4 whole square, which means x minus 4 times x minus 4. So if I do that, that's why I'm going to do x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. So if I combine it, x squared.
Mommy, you're going too fast.
So this is what you end up with. You see that? So that's what we have here. Right, so that's what you're going to get. So it's basically, if you write x minus 4 whole square, if you add 11 on both sides, that's what you get. And then square root on both sides, which is plus or minus square root 11. I always need to write a plus or minus. Okay? And then I'm going to add 4 on both sides. X equal 4 plus or minus radical. That's your final answer for this. Okay.